Oh no, I'm gonna have to like this. The words that I say are relevant to the situation, yeah. It's commonplace for people to take offense when none needed to be taken. The world will make you go crazy. Relevant, it has nothing to do with anything, but they make it about them when it isn't about to get offended because the ego's so fucking blown. Love is what. Oh, look at me, look at me. I'm the center of the universe. I should be what your attention is focused on. Satisfied, being the person well satisfied. If I ever think that it's not, I'm gonna flip around, recognize like such a relief. Make love instead. Yeah. Because I have to hit. Pull a good ball for my comfort zone. Look at me. Surprise, wouldn't give. Look at me. Notice that. Could you go with him? You broke or something? You know there's no such thing. Look at me. Get somebody right. Or as my dad said every time I fucked up as a kid, good job, genius. Way to fuck up again. You ruined everything. It's all your fault. But it'll be okay. Like you got me. You should think they know what you're lying. Don't pick up all the time. Now just think everyone's smiling, compliment the bullshit. Never going anywhere, saying never amount to shit. Asking me why I do what I do, like why I like to blame me. I don't think you would understand. It's just something some people feel they need to do. That other dude said it was competition, but he was lying to you. Just forget about it. Just forget about it. Easy,